Hi, my name is Adhik Roman and I'm going to show you how you can install Node.js in Amazon Linux 2023. So let's get started. First, we go to AWS EC2 dashboard by clicking on the search bar EC2. You should be able to see EC2 here and click into the link. It will be sent to the EC2 and then from here, I'm going to launch a new instance. Click to the launch button, give it a name, JS. Choose the image, Amazon Linux 2023. It's by default selected, so you don't have to do anything different. Choose the instance type. I'm going to choose T3 medium just for testing. You can choose whatever it suits your business cases. Choose a key pair, and then I'm going to choose an existing security group that I previously created. In the advanced section, I'm going to use an IAM role, EC2 role that I previously created. So let's get started. Click the launch instance button. And then follow the blog. So here's a blog item that you created. You can use that blog to follow exactly one by one, step by step, and it should work like a charm. So let's copy the first line here. This will download the NVM. We're going to use NVM for installing Node. And then we're going to just run those sequentially in the terminal. In this example, I'm going to use the connect button inside this browser. It's a new way of connecting to the instance. But if you are familiar with connecting like with an SSH terminal or PuTTY, you can use that as well. Both will do the same result. Let's click on the connect button and then type the commands that we have given. But before that, my instance is not ready. So just a moment. Click on connect, maybe refresh one more time. Let's refresh. But here, yeah, sometimes the instance taking some time to get started. So that's why you might see this kind of errors, but that's temporarily. You just come back again and then click the connect button. So it should be fine now. Yeah, that is first make the screen bigger so that you guys can see. So sudo su. So we are going to take root privilege. And then I'm going to paste the command from the website, the blog that I've created here. Just copy the command and paste it. And then you click enter. So it's running, installing the root, and then you can copy this whole section and run it here. Okay. Now let's say NVM, we have version. So we have NVM 0.4.1. Now we can use, we clean the screen. NVM is okay. Now we can, using NVM, we can install Node.js. So NVM install 22. Let's see. The latest version at this moment is Node 22. So I'm going to install Node 22. And if you're watching this video like 1 or 2 years later, then you can use the version that you want to use or available at that moment, maybe 25, 26, whatever it is. But at this moment, 22 is the latest one. So I use 22 and that's fine. It's now default 22. Let's check node version 22. That's good. And then we are going to check Nginx. So let's try to run an Nginx. We're planning to install Nginx as part of reverse proxy. All the requests, systemctl will start Nginx. This will start the Nginx. I'm clicking here, and then we are going to enable the Nginx. Systemctl enable Nginx. Right. Now what we can do is like we can actually create a config file. Rather than using VI, I'm going to use now Nano. Nowadays I use Nano mostly. I used previously VI, but now Nano. So you can just copy this line, open in Notepad or text editor, whatever you like, and give it a name here. For example, here I'm going to use a server name like Node.js 25.rtp.xyz. And then I'm going to run a just simple script to have a server running on port 3000, and then we need to do reverse proxy. So let's copy this and paste it here, exit. Okay, good. Now, what's next? We have installed everything. Now we're going to restart the system Nginx, and then we are going to create a simple Node.js script that will run on port 3000, and then we can see the like URL that is available here, this public IPv4, and then we can easily see that we can see our application with hello world or something like this. So let's get started. Systemctl restart Nginx. Oh, we had some issues. What is the issue? Yeah, let's copy this. See the issue. Okay, what is the issue? What we have? Mhm. Okay, I identified the issue. So if we review the server blocks, it knows. Okay, sorry, I forget to put a semicolon here. That was the reason that Nginx failed. Now it's okay. If I restart Nginx, it should be showing that Nginx restarted. Now let's go to like EC2 home directory, and create a Node.js script, right? So let's go to cd/home EC2 user, and then let's nano let's say http.js, and I'm going to simple script just showing hello world to port 3000, right? And paste it here, Control X. Okay, now let's run it. Node http.js. It's running on port 3000, and if I go to this service now, let's see. It should show hello world. Yeah, it should show hello world, right? So that's a very simple way that you can install Node.js on your machine and install Nginx and then reverse proxy all HTTP requests to your Node.js applications. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.